as non-communicable diseases, NCDs, like cardiovascular conditions, diabetes, cancer, and chronic respiratory illnesses continue to rise, adopting healthier lifestyle choices has never been more important. These diseases are often linked to lifestyle factors such as diet, physical activity, and mental well-being. Non-Communicable Disease Coordinator for the Western Regional Health Authority, Dr. Marcia Johnson, helps us to understand the practical ways of reducing the risk of getting NCDs. As she explains, there are 4 core habits that can help individuals reduce the risk of NCDs: maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, limiting alcohol consumption, and quitting smoking.
Physical activity and regular exercise in particular is very important in reducing our risk for non-communicable disease. It strengthens the heart, it helps to control blood sugar and lowers blood pressure. It has great benefits for managing your weight, and obesity is also a very strong risk factor for some of these diseases. And so we encourage persons to engage in physical activity. Start small, but be consistent. In addition, rest, very, very important. Being able to manage stress, also very important, and having good relationships with others.
When it comes to diet, there are some basic things to keep in mind.
Reduce salt, reduce sugar, reduce fats. Increase fruits and vegetables, increase your fiber, and watch the portion sizes, because sometimes even when you are eating what seems to be the healthy things, you are consuming too much of one thing at one time. So we have to also watch the portion sizes. Drink lots of water, and I think if we lean more towards a plant-based diet, having our whole grains, our peas and legumes, then we are on the better road for good nutrition.
Mental health is often overlooked when discussing physical health, but one cannot be achieved without the other.
And we are seeing mental health issues emerge more and more each day. It happens with our patients, the healthcare providers, the family caregivers. It affects everybody. And so in order to manage stress, some of the things that we can do is learning how to prioritize, learning how to be more organized for efficiency, staying connected with loved ones, taking breaks when you need. We have to get sufficient rest. Some people do deep breathing exercises that is helpful in just calming you in the moment when the stress is on and the crisis comes. Just take deep breaths. Prayer works, or meditation for some persons. That is also very useful. But the truth is, we have to learn how to balance. And one of the hardest things is to be able to say no. We have to learn how to say no and when to say no, because there are some things that just have to be put aside in order for us to cope with what is happening. And guess what? If you're feeling overwhelmed, if you find that you are not managing, it's okay to ask for help.
Another key aspect of managing health is regular screenings.
The Ministry of Health has launched this Know Your Number campaign, and it continues to bear fruit. We want persons to at least know your blood pressure status, your blood sugar, your body mass index, or we call BMI, which is the ratio of your weight to your height. And we also want you to do your blood cholesterol checks. But in addition, we want women to ensure that they have a pap smear done, they have a breast examination and or mammogram done, and for our men to do their prostate check.
By staying on top of these basic screenings, individuals can catch potential health issues early and to take proactive steps toward prevention.
We have to start out by setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals, finding a way to track the progress. We have to find a support system. We can't do this thing alone. So whether it is a colleague, a family member, or just a friend, get somebody else to be along with you. Aim for progress and not perfection. And listen, if you fail or if you fall down, don't stay down. Start again. Non-communicable disease is a real thing, and we're seeing it happening in younger persons. We're seeing cancers occurring in younger persons. But the way to reduce our risk is by engaging primarily in 4 healthy habits: eating healthy, increasing our physical activity, avoiding alcohol, and quit smoking. And in addition, the rest, relaxation, recreation, and prayer will help us along the way.
Adopting healthier habits is not just about preventing illness, it's about creating a sustainable, fulfilling life.